Are you planning a trip to Bergen? Me? Yes, yes, yes. I am bound to Bergen today, but it will be just less than 24 hours stay in Bergen. Oh, let's talk about weather in Bergen as our topic for today. Bergen has a reputation as one of Europe's wettest cities. On average, there is at least some rainfall in Bergen on 239 days out of 365 days of the year. For clarification, that doesn't mean it is pouring with rain all day on those 239 days, rather than rainfall is recorded at some point. There is no dry season in Bergen. It can, and does, rain all year round. You may have more luck from April to June, but that is by no means guaranteed. There is, however, a very wet season, and that is from this month, September, up to November. What should you wear for a trip to Bergen? No matter what time of year you visit, you should pack appropriately. Bergen is a tricky city to dress for, as I never trust the weather forecast, given the possibility of rain on most days. So always pack a wind and waterproof jacket even at the height of summer. You should also give thought of your footwear. Bring some shoes that you don't mind getting very wet, just in case. If you ask any local what you should do when it rains, and they're more likely laugh. Rain doesn't stop the people of Bergen going about their business or their leisure. With appropriate footwear and waterproof clothing, there is no reason not to get out and about. In fact, there is a saying here in Norway: Det er ingen dårlig vær, bare dårlig klær. It literally means there is no bad weather, just inappropriate clothing. It is autumn season now here in Norway. As with many coastal cities in Norway, September and October are usually the wettest months in Bergen. The average temperatures are typically around 11.5 degrees centigrade in September, 8.5 degrees centigrade in October, and around 4.5 degrees centigrade in November. Storms and windy days are also more common at this time of this year. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Micro Moments, and let's enjoy my trip to Bergen. By the way, this will be my third time to visit Bergen City, and for sure not the last time. First and second time visit was last May 2014. Me and my friend did a stopover in Bergen before and after our Greece trip. Yes, I've been to Greece last 2014. By the time that we had our stop in Bergen, we were blessed with nice weather that time. Yeah, it was a bit gloomy, but no rain during our first visit, and the good Lord blessed us sunny weather during our second stop in Bergen. Oh, it's halungkat sa baol mode. Halungkat, 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 halungkat sa baol. Some of May 2014 in Bergen pictures coming up.